So this is the Motoluxe by Motorola. It's a 4.0 FWVGA display. It's running on Android 2.3.7, and it's also got an 8 megapixel back and a VGA front-facing camera. On top of that, it's also got something unique to these phones that we're going to talk about, which is a Motoswitch 2.0 UI. And so a quick example of what that is when you open up this widget, you have an activity graph, a social graph, and for an example, this is your social graph. The contacts that you talk to most often will automatically populate to the front of your screen. So when you power up the device and you swipe over to a screen, you're going to have the contacts that you talk to most often, which is unique to these devices, which is kind of cool. And then we just put that away for a second, go back into this widget. We got the activity graph as well, which is also a unique feature to Motoswitch 2.0. Basically, a lot of the activities that you do most often, or icons or apps that you use, will automatically populate to the front of the device. And so, for example, go to camera, it's got a nice 8 megapixel imager, so you can quickly pop on that, take a quick picture, and then come back down, and then you're right back at your home screen, and you can swipe over to your contacts, which if you have another page, you can have that loaded on it too. So all in all, it's a pretty good device in terms of pocketability. It's less than 10 millimeters thin. It's coming in roughly 9.9 millimeters, and it's available in China, Latin America, and Europe markets, where it's announced for those markets.
What's the blue glowing part?
Yeah, so this is a cool feature. This is just a notification bar. The reason this one's lit up right now is
charged.
Yeah, it's charged, and it's also there's no SIM card in it. But it's a notification bar, and it also acts as a lanyard. If you were to have a lanyard, so it's a potential opportunity for an accessory to add on this device.
Can we see the sides and the back of the device?
Yeah. So it's got an 8 megapixel imager, removable
Battery cover.
It's very thin in terms of thinness here.
No web top though?
These devices do not have web top.
So coming in the spring?
Sometime in the spring.
The Motoluxe.